Welcome to the Factory of the Future. In this series, we investigate 5 key areas that can help the manufacturing industry to drive down production costs while driving up market productivity levels and competitiveness.
Hello, this is Harsh Agarwal. I work as a senior consultant at HSO. Today in this video, we will see how vendor collaboration module helps in reducing cost and time by provisioning vendors to access vendor portal in Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations. It also allows vendors to bid for various purchase quotations and get regular updates on purchase orders. And it helps vendors to review and provide feedback on purchase orders and view and submit vendor invoices. To provide access for vendor collaboration module to a vendor user, a Dynamics user have to create a vendor registration request. Once a vendor registration request is approved internally, the vendor user will get invitation to register for the vendor portal. Once the vendor register for the vendor portal, the vendor will be able to see these workspaces which are required for their collaboration with the purchasing agents. As we can see, in this case, a vendor is able to see their information like who will be the point of contact, what is the email address, and what is the telephone number. Also, a vendor user will be able to bid for various RFQs which are waiting for the response. Like if you see, in this case, there is a request for quotation which is waiting for the vendor response. So a vendor, after going through various details, can either choose to bid for the quotation or can decline for the quotation, and the response will be reflected in Dynamics 365 screen. A vendor can also see various updates on the purchase orders which are created by the purchasing agent. As we can see in this case, there is a purchase order which is awaiting for the response from the vendor, and a vendor user, after going through various details, can either choose to accept or reject the purchase order. Along with that, a vendor portal provides a capability to the vendor user to create invoices and send to the organization, as well as the vendor portal provides the different invoices statuses like submitted, approved, or paid to the user. Any response or any update performed to the vendor portal will be recorded in Dynamics 365 screen as well. Like in this case, if we see the purchase order is in the external review status, which means that the vendor is still reviewing the purchase order and will either accept or reject this purchase order. So to summarize, using the vendor collaboration interface helps the vendor to view and respond to various POs and RFQs, to perform vendor invoicing, and to view consignment inventory and vendor information. This briefly covers about vendor collaboration interface, and other topics will be covered in upcoming videos. Till then, thank you so much for your time.
Be adaptable. Be smart. Be fast. The Factory of the Future will help you differentiate your company from the competition. The technology is ready. Are you?